Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Begin by testing each controller in system settings under Controllers and Sensors, then observe stick behavior. Physically center both sticks and watch for any slow, unintended movement. Disconnect and reconnect the controller, then test after a 10-second power cycle. Move the console and controller 3 to 6 feet away from routers, phones, or microwaves to check for wireless interference. Try using a wired connection or a separate user profile to isolate software causes. Note whether drift occurs in menus, games, or both before making repairs. Power off the switch and remove the controller before cleaning around the stick pivot. Use 70% isopropyl alcohol and a cotton swab to clean lightly, avoiding excess liquid. Blow 5 to 10 short bursts of compressed air around the stick base to dislodge dust and crumbs. Reattach the controller and boot the console, then calibrate sticks in system settings under Controllers and Sensors following on-screen prompts. Test after recalibration and repeat cleaning one additional time if slight drift persists or debris remains visible. If drift persists after cleaning and recalibration, prepare to repair or replace the stick module. Update controller firmware via system settings, then retest to confirm software is not the issue. Consider replacing the analog stick module using a repair kit or buy an OEM controller to avoid compatibility problems. If your controller is under warranty, contact Nintendo for repair or replacement service immediately. For out-of-warranty units, use an authorized repair shop or follow guided disassembly only if you are comfortable with small.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.